ladies and gentlemen. We're in the back bay of the San Francisco Bay. You can see the city directly off to my 11 o'clock. Good old San Francisco. Over on the right side here, we've got Sausalito. And I happen to be going the wrong direction, so I'm going to turn around right now and try to stay with you guys and let you know step by step here, or paddle by paddle, what we're doing. I got my trusty old cameraman back there, Mr. Stefan Coutier. So Stefan, what area is this over here? We're coming up on...
That's Tiburon, right?
Tiburon here in front of us.
Yep.
Beautiful waterfront houses and boats.
Be careful, it's pretty shallow over here.
Ah, we do not want to beach ourselves.
No, that would be very bad.
Yeah, beautiful Angel Island background over there.